Did you ask for him this early in your career?
No, I did. I mean, like that we asked to fight and then they drop out. Like, it takes a while to get an opponent. A lot of people won't accept the fight. It's not as easy as people think. That's why I have to fight tougher guys, and that's why I want to fight tougher guys, because people say, no, I don't want to fight. Like, oh, I'm hurt, I'm this. So that's why when they just say, hey, Leandro Higo, yeah, absolutely. I'm at that caliber now where I have to fight tough guys, because guys are not taking fights. It takes a while, you know.
Men vad fan gör du då? Vad blinkar du och sen bara blinkar in?
Det finns haj som öppnar klockan 4.
Nu kan vi lika gärna vänta till den.
Men ska vi låta
Men kör! Vad fan!
Men ska vi låta Anders köpa någonting?
Har somnat eller? Vad gjorde han för någonting?
Yeah, wrestling in yards. Yeah, I feel like Chicago. It's like a place where people wrestle in their back, like do backyard wrestling in Bruce Springsteen.
No, that's not. No, we didn't do it. I didn't live in that area.
Yeah. I'm from Wisconsin. We had a lot of that.
Very. All right. I don't know what the fuck he's talking about. But I don't think he's underrated. I think he's fucking a great fighter.
He took Khabib's whole purse.
Well, he doesn't.
De har ju den här remsan precis vad det ska vara i.
Ja, nu kör han. Bara nu kör jag. För att den andra kör. Och så den andra bara hängde på. Bara, nu kör vi. Och så bara,
We have a short time with our next guest. We weren't sure if we were going to have him or not. It's a bit of a surprise. No time to have him or not. It's a bit of a surprise. No time to have him or not. It's a bit of a surprise. No time to waste. Let us go now to, I believe he's on the phone, right, Danny? Because I can't imagine he's on Skype.
Day at a time.
All right, so let me ask you about the fight build-up itself. It sounds like for you and for Nate, maybe for different reasons, this whole thing was exhausting. Like, y'all were out there campaigning for 165, Dana saying no. Well, then what about making it just the main event or something? And no, like, how many... Side, he bridges diagonally over the shoulder. Chael tries to balance here, but he can't. He wraps the arm, turns his hips over. Look at him posting on the toes, and he just fight.
And it was horrifying.
When you thought all this fucking fancy cat and bullshit doesn't do shit when it tries to bite your nose off.
I tried to kick the guy, and the guy went right through it. And he broke my nose. I got one good shot at him. I got him a black eye. We were both in the same grade. I could taste the blood coming from my nose and my mouth. The whole fucking, type of deal. And I had an idea right there. I'm like, I don't think this fighting shit is... Let's get something straight. I'm a motherfucking professional. If something, it's just... There's a lot of movies.
Sure.
I know there's a lot of things in Spanish I can't tolerate. Like the other day, I put the...
vad fan gör han då? Jaha, det är bra. Ja, du ska nog kanske fatta.
Am I wrong here? Am I off base? Am I anti-Khabib? What is your take on who's winning post this UFC 229 saga?
Before I answer that, are you only getting it from the Khabib side of things, or were people upset with your counter take as well?
Att man ska inte ge sig på det om man inte känner sig någorlunda stark.
Det är för att de ska ta sig till en kliverväxt.
Efter hatten?
Efter det behandlingshemmet som han avslutar sitt straff på.
Någon som går mitt i väg.
Man ska... Han bara, vad fan? Vad är klockan liksom?
2:15, då är det... Oj!
Man kör rakt ut.
I swear to God, Basra and 160 were coked out.
Oh, I believe it.
And we all got on that plane, and it just everybody was jumping because that was the thing.
Yeah.
It was like going to Atlantic City. It was an hour away. Or aluminum bound together by a durable elastic band. Let me tell you something. This is the coolest thing you'll ever see in your life, and for the first time, I used it last week when I traveled. You keep your ID, your 2 ID cards in there. It fit right in my pocket. It's not, listen, I like having a wallet and the pictures of my daughter, but when you travel, you don't need all that stuff. What, if the plane goes down, you gotta look at the pictures and it change your fucking outcome? No, it's not. Anyway.
Comes back the next day, he's feeling pretty good. He's like a freaking Wolverine, always gets better quicker. So I'm going into the fight thinking, okay, we have it, everything's perfect. His last sparring session was fantastic.
And their personal relationships and talk about all this. At least not mine.
Exactly. There's different roles. There's different things. That's not your role. You are choosing the stories. You are choosing what you want to talk about and ask about. Not whatever somebody's talking about. If there was a question to ask about, that was Daniel's fight to lose. Clearly,
my heart broke for Chris Weidman.
Yeah, tough.
That was hard.
Up, as we saw in the judges.
Yeah, what are the judges? I didn't see.
On the judges' scorecards, he was up on 2 cards, 2018 and 1919.
I think he should have used his wrestling a little more. Like, I'm no coach, but one takedown attempt, and it was successful.
Well, let's not. Jacare's not a slouch on the ground.
No,
now,
I know,
certainly top control is different.
That fight was fought in the phone booth. It was an amazing fight. Like, the pace in that fight was incredible. They were both hitting each other with incredible shots, and Jacare actually. I was sort of thinking...
You got a backpack on, and you can walk as many as... The most I've ever walked is 12 miles in a day. And you're walking up and down in elevation. You're going up and down. Like, I saved it one day because it was so ridiculous.
Sure.
Gone up and down. I forget it, like 130 flights of stairs. Something fucking crazy.
But you ended up getting your... What'd you shoot on this hunt?
Riktigt eller?
Yeah, it was big.
Håller du på med?
Like relatively quickly, right?
Yeah, the first day.
My God.
Fucking idiot.
I would have kept going more of those days.
I came back.